So how do you export a translation on the iPad? Let's get started. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss the next tutorials. So in order to export the translation, we need to know which app you are using. Two main options, the Apple Translate or Google Translate. So for the Google Translate option, if you have a translated text, like whatever it might be, you have the ability to copy the text. So you have the option to copy the original text from the original language, or you also have the ability to copy the translated text like that, right? So that is the option as well. However, you also have the three dot button, which lets you click on it and the more options will appear, and one of which is the share option. And once you click on a share, you can essentially export the whole thing, which you can see it's in the text format, and you can save it to your files or share it through a mail or whatever else app you have right here. You can export it there. When it comes to the Apple Translate, it also kind of works, but it's a bit more limited in here because you can as well just translate stuff like this, but it will basically allow you to just put it in a full screen or copy the text, right? You don't really have the export button right now or inside of this like Apple Translate, but you can also just take a screenshot or, as I said, select and copy the text and save it somewhere else. Outside of that, we of course have some other translate apps, but these are the most popular ones. So let me know in the comments below if we managed to do what we needed. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will catch you later in the next videos.